Hi, this is Dave Campbell at Apantac. I'm the Eastern Regional Manager, and we're live here at InfoComm 2011. This product we're showcasing here is the HDMI extender. It does up to 100 meters or 300 feet of CAT5 cable or CAT6. It is HDMI 1.4 compliant. It has a RS-232 and also IR control. There's a power supply, local power supply. We're able to do 3D. And it also has a magnet and a mounting plate so that you can actually disconnect it so you can make your connections and then hook it back up to reconnect it after you're done with your connections.